Basic elements of light. Shadow and shading. Here are some drawings for your practice using the basic shapes of circles and rectangle, etc. But be sure that the light, shade and shadow box are important elements adding more life to your drawing. In the real world, you can see a shadow in almost all types of drawing, giving a realistic shape. It adds a perspective to an object, putting shadow to the particular dimension of the project. Since shadow box shows a change in direction of shadow and shapes giving a particular source of light. Mostly the artists use the shadow box to get a realistic picture in still objects with proper shadings and shadows. So, now you can practice the shading techniques and perspectives by pencil, giving a proper shape and form of your drawing. You should try to avoid the shadings looking flat. For example, sunlight reflects light in different objects having darker or lighter shades due to direction of the sun. The shadow changes the form of the object due to direction of the sunshine. So light and shadow in the various objects depending upon the movement of the sun. Even there is no lighting on some of the objects. Some part of the objects nearer to the sun will naturally be brighter than the farther one. Similarly, the drawing gives an impression to the people that it has deepness in lighter areas than dark shading in other objects. Thus, various kinds and quality of light affects the direction of shadows. Hard light. It is a source of direct sunlight, appears on a very bright day, producing both the hard-edged shadows. The use of hard light provides a moody and outstanding effect. For example, standard camera flash, naked bulb and direct sunlight gives hard light shading pictures. Soft light. This light creates slight regular and softer shadow in drawing, hiding the imperfections sketching object. For example, bulbs used in photography and domestic bulbs make use of soft light for drawing the lighter shadows. But the light hits straight on objects that reflects the brightest areas in your drawing. Cast shadow. It is the darkest areas requiring more shading in light-blocked places in the drawing where objects inside cast shadows on other surfaces.